All right, Facebook, what's going on? Courtney, Kevin, DeAndre, Truman Steamers. We're over here doing a wax removal of hardwood floors today. This is a new customer out here in the Snellville area. She found us on YouTube. Then she went to our Facebook page. Really don't have too many people that offer this service, so she hired us, came over here, gave her an estimate, and now we're here today removing the wax from the hardwood floors. Again, you guys see us do this service from time to time, and this is one of the best ways to save your floors before you replace them. If you can see what we have done so far, you can see that white haze. That's where this wax sit on the floors, and you can just see how the wax is starting to break up off the floors. Look at that. See how easy that wax is coming off those floors? See that, guys? That's how the floors should look once we get that wax off. See all that? That's all that wax has built up over time. Customers are just putting down those store-bought products, and yeah, this is what happens. Have to hire someone like us to come in and remove it. Okay. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go ahead and start scrubbing these floors. DeAndre is going around the edges, doing the edges. This is a very, very time-consuming job. But once we get this wax off your floors, you guys will be very, very happy with the results. Look at that. Kevin, don't forget that area right there. Okay. Okay. All right, guys, we'll probably be here about another 2 hours. The job is going by very, very smooth. And the customer fee is very, very happy with the results. And what we're going to do is come back Monday, and then Monday, when we do this area today, they're going to move the furniture back, and then we're going to come back Monday and do the hallway area going out the front door, the office, and the dining room. So this is the whole downstairs that we had to do. Oh yeah. See all that wax, guys? Now you see how smooth these floors are? Wax free. That's what we want. All right, guys, so what I did is went across the floors with a pad, broke up all that wax, as you can see, and Kevin's gonna go in a strap with the dirt dragon. Makes the process a whole lot easier and a whole lot faster. All I'm gonna do is lift that up. You can see all that wax. Oh yeah.
hot dog.